How to enter referral codes on Temu app. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enter the referral codes sent to you by your friends on Temu application. To enter the referral codes on Temu, you will need to follow the steps. First of all, open your Temu application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, here at the bottom you will find your profile icon. Tap on this profile icon from the central button and you will reach to this page. Once you reach to this page, here from the section you will find coupons and offers option. Tap on it and finally you will reach to this page. Here you will find a little box that says enter coupon code. Here enter the referral code provided to you by your friend. Make sure you enter it exactly as given. After entering the referral code, tap on this apply button right next to it to submit the code. And if the referral code is valid, you may receive a confirmation message and both you and the person who referred you might receive rewards or benefits depending on the app's policies. Referral codes are the common marketing tool used by many apps to encourage user growth. Both the referrer and the referee often receive incentives or rewards. This could be in the form of discounts, credits, points, or other benefits depending on the Temu's promotion at that particular time. So in this way, you can enter referral codes on Temu and get exciting gifts. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.